what the box looks like. Cool. I don't really use This calendar was only like 20 bucks from Target, and so I could not pass up the opportunity. It's a beauty calendar, 12 days of beauty. Let's get into it. I have all my fake nails, so like I need to be careful so I don't pop them off. But you know, I had to look pretty for you guys. So, here it is. Okay, day number 1. Ooh, from the brand EOS and the flavor Pink Lemonade. Well, let's see if this smells good as it sounds. Oh my goodness. I need to put some on. It's not colored, so that's good. I don't like colors on my lips. Oh my word, it smells so good. Ah, yes, okay. I think they just got me to purchase a new product, so they've already like made their money. Day number 2. I'm assuming it's this because it says 222. Also, yes, I still have pumpkins out, and I'm doing an advent calendar and drinking from a Santa mug. So guys, this is for Christmas. I just haven't decorated for Christmas yet. I'm doing that next weekend, so sorry. Ooh. Unibrow Precision Pencil Winky Luxe. Ooh, same shade, works on millions of brows. Packaging is really pretty, cute, loving that. Let's see what it looks like. It's a universal shade. That's kind of hard to imagine, right? Or am I crazy? This whole box for like a tiny little, tiny little thing. Oh my goodness. Oh, you just pull it off. Oh my word, this is tiny. What? That's so odd. I don't even know. Look how tiny that is. I don't even understand. All right, we're gonna have to try this out. I don't know why it's called Unibrow. No one wants a unibrow, but I guess that's just the name brand. I don't know, but that's cool. We'll definitely try it out. Day number 3. Ooh, yes. The girl's flustered. Ollie Beauty Gummies. Biotin, keratin, vitamin C and E. Grapefruit gland. I wanted to try these, and it feels like there are 2 in here, so this is cool. I like this. Next. Day number 6. What is this? Bioma Depuff and Brighten Eye Gel. Ooh, this is like a moisturizer for under your eyes, AM and PM. Refresh and brighten. Ooh, this is what the box looks like. Super pretty. Let's see what the inside looks like. Okay. Ooh, that still has the thing on it. Of course you can't smell it. I'm just curious if it smells good, you know? I don't smell anything, but that's okay. This is squeezing it, nothing's coming out. Oh, that'll do it. It came out. Just, you know, be careful. Oh. I love wasting product. Next. Day 7.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Ooh, dry shampoo from Batiste. This is actually the brand that I use. I use the tropical scent, but from my memory, the original scent is pretty good too. Yeah, it's nice. So this is really cool because I already use it, and this is like a nice travel size. Ooh, perfect. And look, it matches my nails. Day 8. Ooh, Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. I've actually been wanting to try this. This is in the flavor Tart Green Apple. So great. I'm excited I get to try it. Okay, number 9. Wait a second. I totally skipped 5. Okay, let's backtrack. 5. This is not pretty. Dang it. You try to be aesthetically pleasing and this happens. Ooh. Brand Bliss Drench and Quench Cream to Water Hydrator for all day moisture. Oh, so it's a moisturizer. Cruelty-free, vegan, ultra lightweight moisturizer transforms into water on contact, surging skin with 4 different types of hyaluronic acid that disappear into your complexion to increase moisture levels within minutes and deliver intense yet weightless hydration for hours, morning and night. Ooh, here's what the box looks like. Cute. Oh, it's covered. When does that matter? Ooh. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Oh, nice and creamy. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's some on the lids. I'm gonna put that back and deal with that later. Oh my gosh, that smells good. I can't wait to try that tonight. Yes. Okay, now we can go to number 9. Is it? From NYX Matte Finish Finny Matte. I think that's another language, but matte finish spray. Yay! That's fun to try some more of this. I don't smell anything yet. I'm smelling it because the stuff that I use smells really good, so I'm just curious, but yay, I like finishing spray. It smells kind of like glue. Okay, that's fine. Next. Ah, thirsty gal. Okay, number 10. Screwed it up again. If you're here for visually pleasing, you're going to be very disappointed. Why? Okay, the Aussie brand 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. Cool. I used to use this brand, but now I use better brand. Oh, it smells really good though. I mean, I can use it. That's fine. Next. We're nearing the end, people. That was 10, so now we have 2 more. Going to 11. This is gonna be pretty. Almost. e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Cool. I like e.l.f. products. They're nice. Haven't used any in a long time, but I used to. Look at how like the bubble. That's stupid, but you know. I don't really use primer anymore, but maybe I should start. Does it smell? Not really, but okay. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, last but not least, the biggest one. I'm excited. Oh. Tanologist. I wanted to try this brand. It is a self-tan drops in medium. Usually when I do the tan stuff, I do the darkest possible because I'm pale, but that's fine. This is cute little vial of the drops. I think this is more so what you want to use like on your face, not your whole body, but ooh, look at it, it's so cute. Oh. Alright, it doesn't smell great. It doesn't smell awful, but that's not what I was expecting. But okay, that's gonna be fun and cute to use. Plain vegan and cruelty free. Sweet. This has been a good box. Oh my goodness. Okay, Target. I have other advent calendars here that I've done, so be sure to go check it out if you would like to binge some of my content. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.